Good morning, friends! Welcome to Science Lesson. Today we want to learn about farm animals. Why they call it farm animals? Because farm animals are animals that are raised on farms for their meat, dairy products, or to help out the farmers. Do you want to learn about different kinds of farm animals? Let's go! First, we have sheep. This is sheep. Next, we have horse. This is horse. Next, we have cow. This is a cow. Next, we have rooster. This is a rooster. Next, we have hen. This is hen. Next, we have goat. This is a goat. And last, we have duck. This is duck. Now, before you go to your activity, let's have a guess the animal game farm animals. So there is a rules. The rules is I want you to read the clues carefully, guess the farm animal and try your best and win a star. So are you ready? This question, it likes to eat grass. It's a big farm animal. It provides milk and it makes the sound moo. What is it? And the answer is cow. Good job, friends. Next one, it has feathers. Its baby is called a chick. It can lay eggs. It makes the sound cluck, cluck, cluck. So what animal is that? And the answer is hen. Good job. Next animal, it likes to eat grass. Its baby is called a lamb. It provides wool. It makes the sound ba, ba. What animal is that? And the answer is sheep. Yes, this is a sheep. Next, it has feathers. Its baby is called a duckling. It has wet feet. It makes the sound quack, 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 quack. What animal is that? Yes, the answer is duck. It's a duck. Good job, friends. Now, next animal, it runs fast. Its baby is called a foal. It can be ridden. It makes the sound neigh, neigh. What animal is that? And yes, the answer is horse. Thank you, friends. Good job for answering the questions. Now, for your activities, you will name and identify different kinds of farm animals. And you will play farm animal sound. Good job and thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye-bye, friends.